Want to have a beautiful garden without the constant upkeep? Today we're diving into the world of low-maintenance gardening. Imagine saving time while enjoying the convenience of a stunning garden that requires minimal effort to maintain. Stay tuned, and you'll learn how to create a garden that practically takes care of itself. First, choose the right plants. Opting for native or drought-resistant varieties can drastically cut down on watering needs and special care. These plants are naturally accustomed to your local climate and soil, making them easier to maintain. Also, remember to consider the full-grown size of the plants. Overcrowding can lead to competition for resources and eventually, unhealthy plants. So plan your garden space wisely. The right plants, chosen with care and foresight, can make a world of difference in your gardening workload. Next, let's talk about mulch. It's a gardener's secret weapon. Mulch serves a dual purpose, not only discouraging those pesky weeds, but also retaining vital soil moisture. This means less time spent watering and weeding. Mulch not only looks good, but it also saves you time and effort. Consider incorporating more perennials into your garden. These hardy plants, unlike their annual counterparts, come back year after year, erasing the need for constant replanting. Imagine the joy of seeing your lavender, coneflowers, or daylilies spring back to life each year with minimal effort on your part. Not only do these plants provide consistent beauty, but they also make your garden more sustainable. So why not give it a try? Perennials are the gift that keeps on giving in your garden. Last but not least, consider installing a drip irrigation system. This ingenious system delivers a steady supply of water straight to your plant roots, cutting back on water waste and saving you precious time. With a drip irrigation system, your garden can practically water itself. Creating a low-maintenance garden doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, choose the right plants, opt for mulch, consider perennials, and install drip irrigation. These steps will lead you to a beautiful, easy-care garden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Happy gardening!